Welcome to Garden Bamboo Plants. Today, we are uncovering the wonderful world of bamboo fences.
Fences don't have to be boring. Bamboo fences offer a unique combination of natural beauty, functionality, and simplicity. They can transform your outdoor space into a tranquil escape. Want to see how you can incorporate bamboo fencing into your own garden? Hit that subscribe button now so you don't miss out on all our inspiring bamboo garden ideas. We've put together 11 amazing bamboo fence ideas to spark your creativity. Whether you're looking for a touch of natural elegance, complete privacy, or a functional windbreak, there's a perfect bamboo fence solution for you. Bamboo stick fence. A bamboo stick fence creates a light and airy barrier, perfect for adding a touch of sophistication to your garden. Natural privacy with a view. Taller bamboo fences provide seclusion without sacrificing the view. Perfect for marking property lines or creating designated areas. A 6-foot bamboo or an 8-foot bamboo fence offers a perfect balance between privacy and openness. It's ideal for defining vegetable patches, seating areas, or separating garden sections.
Pre-made bamboo roll fences provide a quick and easy solution for adding a natural fence. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts or those wanting instant results. Embrace the tranquility of a Japanese garden with a classic bamboo fence design. The clean lines and natural material add a sense of peace, perfect for creating a meditation area or reflecting on a beautiful sunset. Even on a balcony, you can create a private haven with a shorter bamboo fence. It provides a cozy retreat while maintaining an airy feel, ideal for enjoying your morning coffee amidst the city bustle. Don't shy away from the natural color of young bamboo. It adds a vibrant and fresh touch to your outdoor space, especially when paired with colorful flowers or greenery. A bamboo trellis fence doesn't just provide privacy, it allows climbing plants to flourish, creating a stunning and functional addition to your garden. For ultimate privacy, a taller, denser bamboo fence creates a secluded haven in your yard, perfect for relaxing and unwinding. Bamboo windbreaks offer a natural solution for mitigating strong winds, protecting your plants and creating a calmer outdoor space. So, there you have it. 11 inspiring ideas to incorporate bamboo fencing into your garden and create your own personal oasis. What's your favorite bamboo fence style? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from our Garden Bamboo Plants family. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring garden contents. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy gardening!